Hello everyone, it's Simon. Let's talk about confirmation. Or do you have the tools, the good tools to confirm your trades? First of all, do you anticipate the trade ahead of time? Let me be very simple in this example. This is Nasdaq December's contract. The Nasdaq is one of the most difficult instruments for scalping, yet a lot of people like it, but it's very difficult. We all know it's very difficult. So I have a strategy that I use and my students use, which is to anticipate the movement first. For example, this is an area that I've been anticipating the Nasdaq to come to and then reject for a variety of reasons. One of the main reasons is that I have a huge amount of volume here. This chart, which is 466 tick chart, holds an indicator called SAL, substantial attraction levels. This extracts the hidden contracts that are waiting for the market to execute. This has 50 of them, so not only the biggest one, but all of them, all the big 50s. You see, and this area, since it has the heavy volume hidden, you don't see it unless you have this indicator, unless you have specific, data feed, etc., which is available. So we're anticipating the market to come to this level and then reject. But is that enough to anticipate? Also, in this area, in this chart, which is 987 tick chart, I have a rejecting area here. This area is heavy volume and it's point of control, but usually the market rejects it first. So I'm anticipating a scalp, as a good sufficient scalp from this area. So let's see if we have confirmation once we get there. So once the market gets there, this was from a live session. So once the market gets there, I ignore all the confirmations, anything, unless we get to the area that I'm anticipating. So I have to anticipate, confirm, and then execute. So I'm waiting for the market to come to this level, and it comes to it. See, it comes to it. Not yet. Here, see, let me go back. This is a recording, so let me go back to show you. So the market comes to it. It touches this level. You have an arrow. You don't see it. It's behind that pink line. The pink line is entry. It's a hidden volume. It's a hidden contract was waiting to execute. So that was confirmation number one, which is the same as this one here. Different colors, but it's just for me to be more visual. And I have arrows, arrow here, arrow, 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 4 arrows. I need 2 arrows in 2 different charts. And you can customize these arrows according to the speed of that instrument. For example, the gold is different than the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is very dangerous, so you have to be very careful in customizing it. I also have a power line. I also have a rejecting volume area. And furthermore, I know where my stop loss is. According to the volume profile, you should know your stop loss's location. So knowing that, trading is easier. Usually, scalping is very difficult. But even I don't like scalping. But if I scalp, this is the methodology that I use. You get your first target and in and out, however you like it, and see the market comes back to it again, and it continues up, and then that's more than good for a scalp. And notice there are arrows coming up here, and you have volume also coming up against you. So that's an indication of, exit. There's no need to stay. The market might be, it's trying to push it down. You see that? See that? And then it continues. I think it continues. I don't remember, but I think it continues down after that. You see? So basically, anticipate first, confirm, and then execute. Even when you execute, you have to have a strategy for managing your trade. So for example, we do 3 contracts. We could take 2 at the first target, or you can go in and out all of them. Thank you.